Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some tips on how I am growing my YouTube channel and what I have learned about growing my YouTube channel. I just want to say I am still growing my YouTube channel. I am not where I want to be, of course, but I want to help other people who are trying to grow your YouTube channel, or you feel like you're stuck, or you feel like you're not getting like the subscribers and the views that you want to get. And Lord knows I have been there, and I'm still trying to figure this thing out, but I have been doing a lot of research and I have been doing a lot of different things on my channel to see if it's going to help my channel grow. And some things have been helping me get more views. It has been helping me get subscribers to my channel, like daily. I'm seeing just a few numbers every day, and so that means a lot to me, because if you are putting any content out, you want people to watch your content. Like, you don't want to put all of this knowledge out and put all of this work into making videos and editing videos, and then nobody's watching your video. We're here because we want to share a message. We're here because we want to share something with other people that's going to help them. So we need the people to hear this message. So in order to do that, it's some things that you have to do on the YouTube platform to be able to get people to watch your videos. And so you can't just throw videos up there and throw titles up there and think that people are going to watch your videos. And I see people with some very good content, but they don't optimize their videos so that people can find their videos and watch them. So it's some things that I have been doing, and like I say, it is working for me, and I want to share those things with you. I want to share these tips with you. So the first thing is being consistent. I noticed that when I'm not consistent, like, I don't get any subscribers and I barely get like any views on my videos. But I noticed, like, when I upload a video and then like days later or a week later I upload another video, I start to get more people watching my videos and I start to get like more subscribers. So I believe, like, if I can just stay consistent this year, I really believe in my heart that my channel will begin to grow. Because I don't know about you, but this is something that I would love to do full time. Like, I love sharing information that I'm passionate about. And so I do want to say, like, I do more spiritual type of videos or whatever, and I do some tech stuff every now and then when I find something that I like. But because I do like more of a spiritual, have more of a spiritual niche, my channel, I feel like, is not going to grow as fast as someone who is like a beauty blogger or do hair videos, makeup, or or travel videos or something like that. Like, of course you're going to grow much faster than I'm growing, because nobody really wants to hear about getting their life together. But it's something I'm passionate about, and I don't want to change that. I try to switch it up a little bit and add some fun stuff in there, but at the end of the day, I have a message and I want to deliver that message. So be consistent with uploading your videos. So the next thing is to optimize your title. So you can't just put any title on your videos and think people are gonna find your videos. If you want people to see your video, like, you're tired of just 2 people watching your videos, and you might want to just get like 50 people, or you might want to get 100 people. And for me, I do this on a app called TubeBuddy, and it's connected to the YouTube platform. So once you're in your YouTube studio, you can click on TubeBuddy, and you can search different keywords and it will let you know if it's a good word, if it's a fair word, or if it's bad, or if it's excellent. If a lot of people are searching for it and you have a chance to rank with that title, it will let you know. And if it's too many people searching for it, or they have too many videos with that keyword, it'll let you know that it's probably not a good keyword for you to use. So I use TubeBuddy, and I pay $2.99 a month to have this, because I'm serious about this. So investing in your channel may be a good thing. Like, that's nothing. Like, we spend a lot more on stuff that does not or will not ever bring us any income, like Netflix and things like that. So optimize your title. Like, you really have to think about what people are searching. And when I start to doing this, like, it really changed the way people find me. It changed the way I rank, my videos rank. So I really believe in this. Like, I feel like if you don't do this, then you may as well not do YouTube. Like, you really have to. Like, if people are searching for how to grow your relationship with God, and I'm putting my title as growing with God. And nobody is searching growing with God, but everybody is searching how to grow your relationship with God. Then I'm going to rank if I use those keywords in my title, in my description, and in my tags. So yeah, that's another thing I've learned about growing my YouTube channel. So another thing that has helped me to gain subscribers, this is the thing that has helped me to gain subscribers, is creating YouTube shorts. You don't get credit for the views on YouTube shorts. Like, that doesn't count as your watch time. But on YouTube shorts, one day I put a YouTube short out. I woke up the next morning, I had like 1,000 and something views on it, and it gave me like 16 subscribers. And you know, for us small YouTubers, that's a lot. I was like, oh my God. So if you just take a piece of your content and make it into a YouTube short, like the most powerful thing in it that you said, or the most thing that you think that a person will want to watch, turn it into a YouTube short, like, you really could gain so many subscribers, because it's so easy for a person to watch a YouTube short and just click subscribe because it's right there. Like, and then, you know, they'll go back and watch your videos. And so that's what we want. So I would get into creating YouTube shorts if I was you. It has really helped me to grow my channel in just a short time. Okay, the next thing that is so important, and I'm still working on going back on my old videos and changing this, but creating clickable thumbnails. Oh my God. Okay, so when you're scrolling and you're trying to find videos to watch on YouTube, like, you don't just click on stuff that looks boring. You click on stuff that looks interesting. So making your thumbnail look interesting is so key to people clicking on it and trying to figure out if they even want to subscribe to your channel, but they have to click on it first to see what you're offering, to see what kind of content you are putting out. So my thumbnails, oh my God, like, I'm going back to redo some of my thumbnails from like a while ago, because I put a lot of effort into my videos and a lot of information goes into that. And so I want people to go back and watch it. And YouTube is a great platform. Like, your content doesn't get lost over time. It's always going to be there. People, I watch videos from 9 years ago, 14 years ago. I'm still watching videos, you know, that people did from years ago. So I use Canva to create my thumbnails, all of my thumbnails, and I have really just, and this is what I do. So I found like 4 or 5 people that I like that are making content close to what I'm making. They may make a little different content, but people like believers or Christians, women who are making content similar to what I do. And I look at, these are people who have grown on YouTube already. So I look at how they put out their content, how their thumbnails look, you know what I'm saying, what's working for them. And like, it gives me an idea of how I need to structure my thumbnails. Like, I don't copy anyone, but you do want to, when you're putting words on your thumbnails, you want to put things on there that's gonna make a person want to click. I want to know what's in that video. I want that information, you know what I'm saying? So you have to think like other people are thinking that are searching for different content. You know what I'm saying? They're looking for questions or answers to questions that they have, and you have to think about that when you're making your thumbnail. And since I have put out these different simple thumbnails, like, I feel like more people are clicking on my videos. Okay, so this is like a secret tip right here. So nobody talks about this. I think I only heard one person ever say something like this, and I've watched a lot of how to grow your YouTube channel videos, and I've never heard, well, one time I heard a person say this, a man say this. When I upload a video, as soon as I upload that video, I go and watch my own video from the top to finish, like from the beginning to finish. I watch my own video all the way through, and I do this on 2 different things. I do this on my second YouTube login I have, and I do it on my channel. and I watch my video. So that's 2 views right there, and that's 2 views that watched the video from the beginning to the end. So this lets the YouTube algorithm know that somebody is watching my video from the front to the end, and they are interested in my video, because once people click on your video and they only watch it for like a minute or less than a minute, then YouTube is not going to recommend your video. So you have to have people watching your video from the beginning to the end. So I do this, and I believe since I've been doing this, like I get a lot more views, because if you don't watch it from the beginning to the end, you can't expect anybody else to do it. But it helps. It shows YouTube that somebody is interested in your content, even though it's you. Okay, so my last tip, and this is so important, and I've done this at different times, and I can tell what works and what doesn't work. But you have to post your video at the right time. You have to know when people, your subscribers, are online and they are watching videos. And for me, when I post my videos in the morning or lunchtime, I don't get hardly anybody to watch my videos. But when I post my videos at night, like 8 p.m., between 8 and 10 o'clock at night, I get more people. It's weird. I get more people to watch my videos when I get up in the morning. Like, my goal is I would just want to have at least 50 people to watch my video in the first 24 hours of me posting my videos. And my last 3 videos, that has happened. And it is because I post my videos at night. Like, I will do a video, I would edit the video, and then I would post it that night. And it just really makes my views go up. So that is key. If you post your video at the wrong time, then nobody's gonna watch your video. And see, YouTube is looking at when you first put your video out, who is interested. That's why I say go ahead and watch your own video from the beginning to the end, so that YouTube can start suggesting your videos to other people. So this, like I say, I am still growing on YouTube, but I want to help other people grow, because I'm always trying to get someone to start a YouTube channel, because I know what YouTube can do for people who have businesses, or people just have a passion for what they do, or have a message to share with the world, and the world is on YouTube, and we want to grow. And so this year, I know I definitely want to grow my channel, so I'm trying different things. So I might come back and do another video if I find something that I know is really working. So I hope you guys grow this year. I hope you take these tips and I hope you use them. And I just thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next video.